So I took the D100 hot rod shop truck project out for a spin yesterday. It was a pretty decent day. It wasn't too hot here in Vegas. So I figured I'd take it out. Hadn't been out for a while. And you know, it always seems like little things pop up on these old hot rods. So after driving yesterday, I parked the truck and I saw an oil spot. The gas gauge just quit working and the battery wasn't charging. Yeah, it's always something. So the oil leak, I found the oil pressure sensor was loose. Yeah, I don't know. Tightened that, or took it out, wrapped the threads, put it back together, got to run it up and see if that fixes it. Everything in the gas gauge seemed to be working, so I went and tore open the gas tank. So to try to figure out why the gas level all of a sudden during the drive went to 0, I opened the tank up, pulled the sender, and yeah, the float fell off. So yeah, I get to dig that out of there. And I started checking all the wiring for the alternator to charge the battery. All that looked good. I may have a bad voltage regulator, possibly. I won't know until I run it up. Like I said, I took everything apart though, ohmed everything out. Didn't see any breaks or shorts or anything like that. So that'll be once I start it up, once I dig that float out of the tank. So then we'll take a look at the wiring some more. Oh, I was able to fish the float out of the tank. So I just put it back on, put a slight bend in the end of the rod. And yeah, hopefully that won't come off again. I don't know what happened to the little clip that was there holding it on. Bottom of the tank somewhere. Oh well. Battery seems to be charging. Still could be the voltage regulator possibly, because it is kind of all over the place. I went ahead and slaved in a different voltage regulator. Guess the other one was going bad. That one's doing a lot better. 14 and a half volts, it looked like. Pretty good. What else can I fix today? The replacement voltage regulator is installed. Oh, and I fixed my wiper motor. So my wiper motor only had one speed, and anytime you would stop the wipers, they would just stop. They wouldn't go back to 0. There's a resistor way down on the inside there. Yeah, one of those wires was disconnected. Again, who knows how this stuff happens. So yeah, literally just marking stuff off my little punch list here, little things that I've been kind of keeping track of that I've been wanting to get done. And the list has starting to get kind of long. So getting some of that stuff done. Real quick, guys, have you seen the links below to the MoonBuilt Garage Teespring store? We got the original MoonBuilt Garage logo shirts. Maybe you're a fan of the Dodge D100 shop truck project. We got that shirt. Now that I'm pretty much a professional TIG welder, I got the TIG Torch shirt. Maybe you're more of an old school MIG guy. Got the MIG Torch shirt. Dodge Charger. I got MoonBuilt Garage decals. Guys, these t-shirts, they're not your typical 100% feel like you're wearing a burlap bag t-shirt. These things are next level tri-blend, literally next level, lightweight, super soft and comfortable t-shirts, guys. So check out the links below to the MoonBuilt Garage Teespring store. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for your continued support. Next step's get this thing out on the road. I've already run it for a while here in the garage. No oil leaks. Of course, that may show up later. Voltage seems to be good. Wiper motor's working. Fuel levels reading. Everything seems to be working well. But it's 110 here in Vegas. So driving this thing, next video. Appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next one.